Eric Burgess here, and we've been asked to take the integral of x minus 1 quantity times sine of pi x dx. So looking at this, we've got a function right here and a function right here. They're being multiplied. So pretty clear case for integration by parts. So we're going to need a u and a dv. So for a u, we're going to use x minus 1 because as we take derivatives, this will eventually go to 0. So that is very appealing for u. And then for the dv, we're going to take the sine of pi x dx. And if we now take the derivative of u, we're going to get just dx. And if we take the integral of v, we're going to get cosine negative. And then inside we're going to have pi x. But because of the chain rule, normally we'd multiply by whatever's inside, but since we're integrating, we're going to divide. So we're going to get a pi right there, and that will be v. So now all we need to do is we would have that our original integral is now equal to, and then by the chain rule, right, it's these two multiplied minus these two multiplied. So we're going to have quantity x minus 1 times quantity negative cosine pi x over pi minus the integral of negative cosine pi x, and then we could put this pi out on the outside. So we could even take the negative out and make this a positive. We could do that. That'd make our lives easier. Times dx. And so this is just a standard integral right there that we can just do right away. So we're going to be left with, as our answer, x minus 1 times the quantity negative cosine pi x over pi plus, and then the integral of cosine is going to be sine, and there's no sign change on this one. It's going to be positive sine pi x. Again, we're going to divide by pi, and don't forget about the pi we have right here. So we're going to have a pi squared on the bottom. And since we don't have limits, we're going to just put down c plus c for that extra factor. And this is going to be our answer. There might be ways to make this even simpler, but this is just where I'm going to stop. I can't see anything obvious that would make my life way better if I move stuff around. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop a comment down below, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for future videos. And we'll catch you in the next problem.